Through the digital membership, we're building a community who are committed to delivering digital innovation to revolutionise medicines manufacturing.
Working with the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre and its partners, that means that we are addressing problems that the industry have, not problems that we think we might be able to solve.
We're taking part in the Grand Challenge because we see it as a great opportunity to work across pharmaceuticals and also across the tech sector to form a guiding coalition to look at how we solve industry problems within pharmaceuticals, especially from the IT point of view.
Right now, we're building 3 enterprise architectures for smart factories of the future, looking at tableting, API synthesis and biologics manufacture. In doing this, we are driving the industry towards Pharma 4.0 and helping to unlock new methods of delivering effective medicines more quickly to patients that need them.
We've also got AstraZeneca, we've got Amazon, we've got Siemens, Capgemini, I think, who are presenting right now. So it's a really positive initiative to be involved with.
I think from the pharmaceutical company wise, we're all dealing with similar problems with similar economic factors, similar challenges, and the industry's obviously going the same way. So it's really valuable to have multiple companies working within the digital membership to actually align on these and then work with our tech sector partners to try and answer the business outcomes that we're driving towards.
There are 2 particular reasons that I think being a member of the Digital Membership Grand Challenge is beneficial. The first is that it gives us the opportunity to validate the current needs and emerging needs of the industry with top-tier pharmaceutical companies in a very live and real way. And the second is that because the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre are putting these technologies into practice, it goes far beyond a talking concept and becomes very much an implementing and testing concept, which I think gives enormous value to everybody involved.
The digital membership connects people with problems to people with solutions. By joining this community, you will have access to a diverse group of collaborators to accelerate your digitalisation journey. And by accessing this support in a pre-competitive environment, we can work together as an industry to overcome the many challenges associated with digital transformation and ensure that we deliver the maximum possible benefit to our patients.
It's a really great place to work. You can see that the culture is absolutely fantastic over here in Glasgow, and I would recommend any of the other partners or the other pharmaceutical customers in particular to have a look.